In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AirPods Max to Apple TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an Apple TV, connecting your AirPods Max or any other Apple device is extremely simple. So all that you have to do to connect your AirPods Max is to set them up through the menu. So go over to the menu and then tap on this icon over here. Usually, it is going to be right in the middle, and this refers to AirPlay, where you will be able to manage devices that are sharing and connected to the Apple TV. So when you go inside of this icon, you will be able to see a specific device, other speakers nearby that are compatible with Apple TV, and most importantly, the option to connect headphones. Your AirPods Max should be displayed on this list here. If they aren't, then all that you have to do is press this button for a few seconds. So instead of using this knob, press the button that you see at the side. It is skinnier, and once you press this button for a couple of seconds, it is going to enter Bluetooth pairing mode. So essentially, it's going to be discoverable by other devices that support Bluetooth connectivity, including your Apple TV. So as soon as you tap this, it should appear underneath the list of headphones available. This will also work whenever you want to connect the AirPods Max to other devices that are compatible with Bluetooth, such as a smartphone, a tablet, an iPad, and so on. But for the Apple TV, this is all you have to do. So go into the AirPlay menu and you will be able to find it under headphones. If you don't see it here, you can also go over to the settings and choose the option to manage the Bluetooth devices. Afterwards, repeat the same steps here by pressing and holding this button to set it up in pairing mode, and you will be able to choose it from the list of available devices. There is no secret, and it should be natively compatible with your Apple TV. This will also work for any other model of AirPods that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect AirPods Max to Apple TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.